never get through that door. Look how high it is. Well done, Smidgeen. We can squeeze in through here. Let's explore.
Oh, can't we have our picnic first? My tummy's rumbling.
If that's your tummy rumbling, Scrunch, you must be very hungry.
That wasn't my tummy. It was a thunderstorm.
Come on, crew. Let's get out of this rain. Hello! Hey, that's my voice. The sounds bouncing back off the walls are called echoes. Echo! 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 What are they, Chart?
They're bats. Some live in caves and others live in old buildings like this one.
Watch out, Smidgeen. Bats are blind.
Excuse me, I'm not blind, so I'm not.
You're not?
I know, but I do send out a wee sound like this. The echo tells me how far away things are, so I don't bump into them, so I don't...
That's amazing!
Wow, bats are brilliant.
I would just stop. You're too kind, so you are. Well, must fly.
I hope they don't get too wet in the rain.
Listen, it's quiet. The rain has stopped.
And you know what that means. Time for a picnic.